Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A modern oasis, a black house amidst nature. A modern black house, nestled within a lush tropical landscape, is a striking testament to the power of architectural design to harmonize with nature. Its dark exterior, a bold and unconventional choice, creates a dramatic and visually arresting spectacle against the backdrop of vibrant greenery. The infinity pool, a shimmering ribbon of water that appears to merge seamlessly with the horizon, is a defining feature of the house. Its design, carefully integrated with the surrounding landscape, creates a sense of boundless space and connection to the natural world. The pool's reflective surface captures the beauty of the tropical foliage and the sky, adding a dynamic element to the scene. The lawn, a verdant expanse of green that softens the structure's starkness, adds a touch of vitality and life. The lush tropical plants that adorn the house, their vibrant colors and exotic shapes, further enhance the sense of immersion in nature. The interplay between the house's dark exterior and the vibrant colors of the plants creates a visually interesting and stimulating contrast. The interior of the house, while not visible from the exterior, is likely to be characterized by a minimalist aesthetic that complements the exterior's bold design. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, can add warmth and texture to the interior, balancing the sleekness of the exterior. Large windows, offering unobstructed views of the tropical landscape, can help to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. The house's placement within the lush tropical landscape provides a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The surrounding trees and plants offer shade and privacy, creating a peaceful oasis. The house's design, carefully integrated with the natural environment, minimizes its environmental impact. In conclusion, the modern two-story black house with an infinity pool, lawn, and tropical plants is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. Its design, a bold and unconventional choice, creates a visually striking and psychologically stimulating dwelling. The house's integration with the natural landscape, combined with its luxurious amenities, offers a truly unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.